clean up the litter box.
Stinky little bugs again? I have a present for you.
Honey, please clean up the litter box.
For graying hair, stop relying on hair dyes which are harmful to your hair and scalp. And look for the answer in nature. All materials are extracted from 100% plant-derived ingredients. It's the world's first all-in-one shampoo featuring natural antioxidant principles. Gradual darkening cover for your gray hair. Moda Moda. When covering your gray hair is something you have to do every month, but dyeing causes itchiness, hair loss, and scalp problems. The cost of dyeing your hair multiple times can be overwhelming. When you use Moda Moda, apply the shampoo just for 3 minutes a day for 1 month, and that's all it takes. As it's free of silicone and free of sulfate surfactant, you'll be free of hair troubles and will no longer need to break the bank just to dye your hair. What's so special about Moda Moda? Moda Moda is an all-in-one shampoo that covers gray hair using the same darkening color changes that are found in nature. So it takes a little time, however, it's healthy and safe. Moda Moda is not a hair dye because it contains 0% harmful hair dye ingredients. Simply use this shampoo once a day, just for 3 minutes, along with its rich and refreshing peppermint fragrance foam. The single shampoo covers your gray hair and manages your scalp care at the same time. Experience a noticeable transformation after around just 4 weeks. No dyeing. Live with Moda Moda.
Hello, I'm Dina of the Moda Moda campaign team. Moda Moda was created jointly by researchers and developers from MIT after 5 years of work. It is for those with scalp allergy concerns and hair damage due to dyeing their hair. It does not contain any harmful ingredients found in conventional shampoos, nor does it contain any harmful hair dyeing ingredients. The complex ingredients were inspired by nature's antioxidant principle. The more you use it, the darker it becomes. Additionally, we have developed an airless container with a special design. The product is packaged in a container that blocks light and oxygen, and it is shipped quickly and safely by air delivery. No dyeing. Live with Moda.
these musty towels. It's total fudge nuggets. I bet you leave it for days without cleaning, absorbing all that bacteria.
Terry towels take forever to dry and they develop a stinky, musty smell. Because a wet towel is a perfect environment to grow civilization, mold, and bacteria.
Not only does it smell bad, but it is also bad for your skin. You may develop illnesses, skin irritation. Your skin may look like Freddy Krueger zombie. Most towels are not soft, not absorbent, not durable, and bulky. Do you want to know the solution to your problem, friend? Waffle towel. K25 waffle. They are naturally antibacterial and breathe a gazillion times better thanks to their deep 3D waffle pockets. They are highly absorbent into a larger surface area to dry your skin one pass.
They are durable, lightweight, and dry twice as fast. Also, you don't need to do laundry as often as before. Save time, money, and water.
Lightly exfoliating texture gently massages your skin for spa experience.
K25 towels comes in three different colors: vanilla, frost gray, and galaxy blue.
You can even get an extra large to wrap you and a friend.
Help bring this project to life by pre-ordering your K25 towels now at the lowest price we'll ever offer.
Waffle towel.
And I'm on a roll. Wow! You thought you were in paradise. 'Cause I'm a cool breeze. You thought you were blinded by the bright lights, but it was just me. They wanna shake things up, but we got it under control, yeah. They thought I was all shook up, but I got it. Yeah, 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 yeah. And I'm on a roll.
All tech all the time.